What's going on, guys? Jay Tiesler here with the latest Mustang and automotive news. Today's video, we're going to check out the 2021 Ford Ranger Raptor accessories that Ford just dropped. For the Ford Ranger, they're going to add 3 new Ford Performance accessory packages, deliver even more customization, off-road fun. So this is really cool. I really like what Ford's doing here because this is going to let you know what they're going to have in store for the Bronco. Because if you follow the Ford Mustang, the GT, the GT350, GT350R, GT500, all of those parts trickle down to the GT. The GT350 intake manifold is going down to the Bullet, which is also going down to the Mach 1. So all these performance stuff goes back and forth. So what's working on the Ranger is definitely going to go on the Bronco. What works on the Raptor is definitely going to go on the Bronco and vice versa. So if it's relevant because these parts are going to go back and forth between the Ranger and the Bronco. So let's check out the details and see what they're actually talking about. So as you can see, here's the 3 different trucks that they have. You can notice this bumper. These are different wheels. They said that there is a vinyl package, but let's look at the details and actually read them out. Okay, 3 new available Ford Performance accessory patches now. Ford Ranger, adding off-road capability and style for the outdoor adventures, including an off-road leveling kit, Fox shocks, new 17-inch dyno gray wheels, Ford Performance graphics on the bed and windshield, and more. So there's the windshield graphics. We'll put up some high-res photos so you can see. With an expanding portfolio and greater part availability, Ford Accessories is making personalization easier than ever for adventure-seeking truck buyers. U.S. Ranger pickup owners added an average of approximately $650 worth of accessories to their new 19 Rangers last year alone. So people are paying to accessorize. This is a big market, guys. If you don't watch the guys that do overlanding videos, they're selling parts because people are paying for this right now. This is a new trend in America. They've been doing it in Australia for years. It's in America, and a lot of people with money are spending it on this stuff. Ford Performance Level 1 package includes off-road leveling kit, Fox tuned by Ford Performance 2.0 Performance Series internal floating piston monotube front and rear shocks tuned by Ford Performance engineers to optimize an off-road performance. That's pretty legit. If those are good shocks, which they are, those are what come on the Raptor, and they're going to be tuned for the Ranger, that's going to be awesome. Ford Performance 17-inch wheels, which you can see here. Ford Performance bedside graphics, $2,500. So you're getting shocks. So they're going to level it out so the back is not lower or higher than the front. And then you're going to get, I don't know how they're going to use a spacer probably or something like that. And then you're going to get these shocks, different wheels, graphics, $2,500. Seems a little high, but good set of shocks are expensive. So if they're good shocks, it's definitely worth it. Ford Performance Level 2 package includes Level 1 Plus. So wheels, shocks, leveling, and stickers. And engine calibration. Okay, now we're talking. So this is like Raptor-ish. This is not a Raptor, but it's Raptor-ish. 16% increase in horsepower to 315 and torque by 20% increase. So it's going to be 315, 370. So now we're talking KO2s. Okay. Rigid off-road fog light kit, Ford Performance calibration, blue tow hooks, Ford Performance stainless steel license plate frame. Pretty legit. Pretty legit. Ford Performance Level 3 package includes Level 1 and 2 content plus rigid 40-inch light bar, tow hooks, ARB winch for the front, Ford Performance chase rack, 2.3-liter Ford Performance sport exhaust, $9,000. Pretty cool, guys. Pretty cool. So $9,000, you're gonna get shocks, wheels, graphics, leveling kit, a tune, KO2 tires, fog light kit, tow hooks, stainless steel license plate frame, LED light bar, winch, capable front bumper, not with a winch. Ford Performance by ARB winch capable front bumper, so it's gonna have the ability to take a winch. Ford Performance chase rack, and a Ford Performance sport exhaust. So this is the Level 3, guys. I believe this is what it is. So I believe that's what they call a chase rack. There's the light bar. There's the winch capable front bumper. There's your tow hooks. It's been leveled out. It's got the Fox shocks, and you've got your sport exhaust. What am I forgetting? It's got a tune. You've got these side these protectors. They're really this is probably a protector plus a step up. and you've got this undercar. So I'm assuming this is an FX4 that they've outfitted with all these parts. So it's FX4 pricing plus $9 grand. It's gonna be pricey. So hopefully they just go ahead and come out with a full-on Ford Raptor eventually, but until then you can go ahead and upgrade it with all of these parts, guys. If you like what you saw in the video, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I will keep you updated with the latest Mustang and automotive news. If you want to support the channel, hit the links below. I'll catch you guys in the next video.